Hello guys, welcome back to Yellow app. For today's video, we are going to show you how to use Jenni AI. So if you're interested, let's start our tutorial. So in this case, you might be wondering what is a great platform for you to aid you on writing your paper, maybe for your studies or your college work or even for any personal project that you have right now. Well, Jenni here is an AI that could help you make your writing projects a lot easier. Now in this case, how do we actually use Jenni here? So first what we need to do here is we need to go to their website, which is going to be jenni.ai. Now from here in their homepage, what we need to do is we need to sign up to their platform. So in this case, just click on the start writing here. So it's going to be for free. Also, by the way, if you're not aware yet, you are able to use Jenni here or Jenni AI here for free. So you can see there's going to be a few things that you should take in consideration here. Since we're only using the free plan here, there's going to be a limitation of 200 AI words per day. But you have also the unlimited PDF uploads, AI autocomplete, journal and web citations, and AI editing commands. Now, if you get their unlimited plan here, which includes $20 a month, you'll be able to use or get the following features, which includes unlimited AI words, AI autocomplete, and a lot more. But in this case, if you want to sample or try their services first, well, you could use their free plan. Now in this case, let's just go back into the free or start writing here, and we need to provide our full name, email address, and password to create our account. But if you want to use your Google account here to sign up, go ahead and click on Google here, and from here choose your email address in the pop-up, and from here wait for it to basically create your account. Now in the next page, you'll be able to enter the headline or what is the topic for your paper here. In this case, maybe I want to say an essay. Let's just use this suggestion here, essay on global warming as an example. So in this case, it's going to say weak prompt here. So you need to add more context and higher quality for higher quality generations. Now, in this case, maybe you want to say essay on global warming and its effects on countries. Now in this case, we could go ahead and use this one since it's already a average prompt here, and we have the outline builder. So if you want to automatically create a document headings here, you can go ahead and click on this one, and from here click on start writing. Now once we click on it, it should start generating our text here or our essay. So let's just wait for it to load up. And as you can see, we were able to create headlines for our essay. Now this is going to be the title of our essay here. We also have the introduction section here. So in this case, we could go ahead and click on this section. It's going to give us some information and generation on this one. Like for example, global warming refers to the gradual increase in average temperature. In this case, if you want to customize this one, click on Control J here. But if you want to accept this, just click on accept. Now in this case, you could go ahead and add another one here. So you could use the AI commands here to basically start generating them. So in this case, maybe you want to say AI commands. So I want to say explain global warming further. And from here, just click on enter. So it's going to start writing it for us. As you can see, we have this duration here. So it's going to start writing and just need to wait for it to finish. But once it's finished, just click on accept. But if you want to try again, click on try again. Or if you want to remove this, just click on discard. But for now, I'm going to accept this. And also we have the capabilities here on actually adding citations. Like for example, if you click on the plus button here, you need to click on the cite here. And from here, it's going to automatically add our citations. So in this case, maybe we want to add this citation here as well as this citation. You go ahead and do that. And from here, we could go ahead and just go back here since we already added our citations. Now, in this case, using it is actually pretty easy. Just click on the add plus button here, or it's going to start creating it for yourself or start generating it automatically on this section. If you click on the plus button here, use AI commands, and you should be able to create your own content or your essay here. So yeah, so this one is actually pretty easy. So by the way, if you want to create a new document here, you could go ahead and click on the new document plus button here, and you should be able to create your own document. As you can see, it's going to ask us what are you writing today. Now, in this case, if you want to turn back into your previous document, click on the title of the previous essay that we created. And as you can see, we were able to access this one. Now, in this case, since we only are using the free version here, some of the section here will be locked. As you can see, it's partially blurred. Now, if you want to further use this one, I would suggest you to use or upgrade your plan here. But yeah, so using Jenni AI here is actually pretty simple and pretty easy, but that's about it. So hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to Yelena app. Thank you for watching.